it's not often I get to use one of the larger items in my collection. This is a Kirby G5 and I've got the Kirby Carpet Cleaning system attached at the moment. I have just shampooed the carpet. You can hear it sort of fizzing away. And what I'm going to do now is to effectively dry the carpet. So it'd be interesting to see if it actually gets any of these stains up. So, let's pop it into neutral. Alright, let's take that to the sink. Oh, slippy. Excuse the box. Next job is to actually clean the sink. We'll get around to that once we've done the carpet. So that's already looking and smelling a lot better. We do have a number of cats and a dog who is in there at the moment to keep him out of the way. There we go. So how damp is the carpet now? So it's still damp to the touch, so that will need to dry. Using this, yeah, it's a little bit cumbersome, I'd say, but it's not bad. I mean, the water has turned a nice sort of disgusting brown colour, so it's obviously doing something. But some of those stains, which I think are sort of ingrained mud and dirt, they will probably need a slightly more abrasive / effective detergent. And Kirby does sell those additional detergents specifically for pets. Sounded like a Kirby salesman there. If I was a Kirby salesman, I'd have to start going on about the Kirby Guard, which is the Kirby's name for the Scotch Guard product that they have in their carpet cleaner. But they have to call it Kirby Guard because they can't use Scotch Guard because it's trademarked, apparently. So, very easy to take this off. All we need to do is make sure that this is in the off position, which it is. Twist, like so. Lift and release. Pull this off here. Get that out of the way. And to release this, we lift up here. We slacken the belt, like so. And then drop it from the motor unit. And we can then take that to drain it off. So you can see in there, that's the belt attached to the hook, and obviously to get the roller off you just need to turn this. So turn this all the way down. Hopefully you can see that in there, all the way down, which releases the belt and ultimately releases that and releases the roller itself. So that will now drop out of the two slots on either side. So there's a slot there. There we go. Move that there. And there's the roller when you take that for cleaning. You'll notice that these locating points are a different size on either side. And in here, these locating points in the unit itself are also a different size. So you have a larger one on that side, and you have a smaller one on this side. Right, let's go and get this cleaned up and manually clean up the foam. And then what I'll do, off camera, is give it another run over with this to get up any sort of additional moisture And then the final thing I'll do off camera is to give all of this another vacuum with the Kirby, obviously once it's all dry. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this, just something a little bit different. Thank you very much for watching. There we go, and that seems to be the final result. The dog seems happy with it. And yeah, I'd say it's cleaner than when I started. It's not perfect, so it probably would need another going over with a stronger detergent, but really is not bad at all. Yeah, not bad, looking good.